This one bowl of cereal gives you 10 to 20 grams of protein, 15 to 20 grams of fiber, and a full spectrum of bioavailable vitamins and minerals. And it tastes insanely good. I'll show you exactly how to make it, the banana milk base, the protein powder that makes it extraordinary, and the fresh fruit and crunchy toppings that make it feel like the cereal you always wished existed. The years I spent cooking professionally and understanding what real nutrition is and being on my own health journey led me to this bowl right here. I'm Erin, a plant-based chef and holistic healing educator, and the protein and fiber conversation is everywhere right now, right? And while I think that's great, I think there's a huge spotlight on just obtaining one macronutrient. I like to take it a step further and focus on the aesthetics as well. This is fresh fruit cereal with banana milk, and it is about to change your world. Stay tuned. Let's get right into it. I start with fresh fruit, and I love the combo of strawberries, blueberries, mango, and kiwi, and they're obviously amazing in the summer, but they're available year-round. Let's make the banana milk. This is the detail that makes this bowl creamy and dreamy. You want to take 1/2 of a frozen sliced banana and another half of a fresh banana. The riper, the better, because this is what allows you to not add any extra sweetness. Then you want to add a dash of vanilla extract. Oh, and let's talk about the protein powder. I love hemp protein for its exceptional nutrition profile and fiber, might I add, but it will darken the color of the milk. I also love this pumpkin seed protein powder by Shen Blossom that has chlorophyll in it, and with 9 grams of protein per tablespoon and a pretty mild flavor. And now the star that truly elevates this milk, rice sprouts powder. With 2 tablespoons equivalent to 20 pounds of rice, you are getting so many vitamins and minerals. This is what makes this milk super creamy and luscious. You can add as much or as little water or coconut water as you prefer, depending on how thick you like it. And then you want to pour your banana milk right over the top. I love watching it settle around each piece of fruit as it encases it with plant-based nutrition. Time for the crunch factor, because let's face it, that's one of the most appealing things about cereal, right? The cold, fresh milk hitting your tongue, juxtaposed by the crunchy, sweet bits of yumminess. This is where freeze-dried fruit comes in. Trader Joe's has a great selection, but now I'm seeing them at Costco and other grocery stores. For this bowl, I love mixed berries, maybe even a little freeze-dried banana or mango. Other toppings that are great are apple chips, dried mulberries, goji berries. I have some figs here. I love to finish it off with some fresh flowers. It's crunchy, creamy, vibrant, deeply nourishing, and beyond delicious. Here's what I'd love for you to walk away with today. Plant-based eating didn't just change what was on my plate 11 years ago. It elevated my energy, my creativity, my mood. I'd love to hear what plant-based eating has done for you, or maybe you're just curious about adding more plant-based foods to your diet. I can promise you that when you make bowls like this, you'll never see eating healthy as a chore again. You'll be so excited to go to bed at night just to wake up the next morning to make bowls like this. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.